Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Sam from CreateWebsitesEasily.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon affiliate account. The Amazon affiliate program is a great affiliate program for beginners because everyone knows and trusts Amazon, and they also sell a wide variety of products. It's also a great way to monetize your YouTube channel, blog, or a website. Here's how the Amazon affiliate program works. Once your account is set up, you'll be able to get affiliate links for products. These links will allow you to receive a commission every time someone buys something from Amazon using your link. The commissions vary, but here are the current commission rates for each category on Amazon. As you can see, the rates are pretty low, but the great thing about this affiliate program is that you get to earn a commission on anything the person buys. For example, let's say I make a review video about headphones and someone clicks on my Amazon affiliate link in the description and buys them, I'll get a 3% commission for that sale. If the headphones were $300, I would get $9 from that sale. Let's say they buy other stuff as well, or don't even buy the headphones. I'll still get a commission on whatever else they buy because they use my link to get on the Amazon website. You can also use one single link to get commissions for different countries using Amazon One Link. Make sure you set that up. I made a tutorial on how to do this as well. You can click over here or click in the description once you're done watching the video. You also have to make sure you get 3 sales within 180 days of creating your account or it will be shut down. Now let's create an Amazon affiliate account. Okay, now let's head over to the Amazon website. So just type in amazon.com and then scroll all the way down over here where you'll see becoming an affiliate. So just click on that. Now click sign up. So if you already have an Amazon account, just enter in your information here, then click sign in. But if you don't like me, just click on create your Amazon account. Now just enter in your information. And then once you're done, just click create your account. Now Amazon will ask to verify your email, and they'll do that by sending you a one-time password. So just head over to the email you used. And over here, as you can see, here's the email. Just copy this, go over here, enter it in, and then click create your Amazon account. Now, if you already signed into your Amazon account, all this information will be filled out. But if you created a new account like me, just fill in this information and then click next over here. So now it's going to ask you to input a link to one of your websites or your apps. So if you don't have a website, you can just make one. It just costs like $5 a month. And I have a link down in the description to get you 65% off or more. Or you can just put in your YouTube channel link. So let me just pull up my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I do have my own website, but just to show you that a YouTube link will work as well, I'll just pull up this YouTube link over here for my channel. Please subscribe. And let me put that in here. Then all you have to do is click add and then click next. No. And then just click confirm. Okay, so I want my store ID to be CWE for Create Websites Easily. And now just describe what your website or your mobile app is about. So, honestly, they don't really even check this. You just get automatically approved into the program. So just make it sound nice. It's not too important. So which of the following topics best describes your website or mobile app? So mine is first, computer software technology. The second I would say is education. And what type of Amazon items do you tend to list on your website or mobile app? So I'd do electronics, computer and office, and maybe books. So just select what you would like to list on your website. What type are your website or mobile apps? So it is a blog and it is a niche website. Since it's a YouTube channel, I would just put content or niche website, and then I would put like a blog second. Okay, and then just scroll down over here, traffic and monetization. Just put in SEO, social networks. You can put blogs if you want, and email as well. Okay, just choose whatever applies to your website or your YouTube channel. Again, like I said, it's not too important, so don't stress yourself out. Just click on the thing that's most related to your website or YouTube channel. And how do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? Just put in whatever you want. I just put Amazon Associates, and secondary way, just put in other affiliate programs. How do you usually build links? Just put this in, doesn't matter. How many unique visitors do I get? I'd say 500. Guys, again, the size doesn't matter. You just need to make 3 sales within 180 days to keep your account active. Primary reason is to do that. Just say this, it sounds better. How do you hear about us? From online search. And now just type in the CAPTCHA, W858, and then agree to the terms and then click finish. Great, so it says, congrats Sam, thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. This is my unique ID. Your application will be reviewed shortly after you've referred qualified sales to Amazon.com, and you can put the tax information later. And let's check the email out. As you can see, it says your application has been received. So what they're saying is basically I can make sales and do whatever, but they will review my account once I get some sales going in. So as you can see, this is what the Associates homepage looks like. So as you can see, you can change the country and the language, and I can track stuff over here by clicking on my account. There's a new navigation to the product linking, and this is where you do your earnings and overviews and summary for the month. Now click get started. As you can see, this will show your earnings overview, how many clicks you get, how much money you make, etc. And this is just a summary for the month, and they just have recommended products over here. So now if you do want to get products, you can search over here, or you can go to product linking and then type in product links, or you can browse for products over here by using these categories. So I'm just going to type in Beats headphones to get my first link. So as you can see, they have a bunch of Beats headphones over here. Make sure you choose a legit supplier if you're going for like something like Beats brand name like that. All you have to do is click get link. And now if you're using this for your website, you can have like this whole photo and everything like that. So if you're using this for your website, you can just copy this and insert this HTML code into your website. But if you want to make it simple, just click on text only, then go to short link. It'll shorten the link all the way. Then copy this and you're ready to go. So let's see what happens when I insert this link. Boom, as you can see, my affiliate ID is up here somewhere. And you can see it's Beats Solo 3 wireless, shipping from the Beats store, and this is the price. So now the cookie has been entered, and basically you just add it to cart, or I can buy something else and I will get the sale for this. But don't do this to yourself, you will get banned. Now let's go back. You can also choose to get an image only link, which is basically an image, and when they click on it, they'll be taken to the Amazon affiliate link, and you just have to copy in that code over there. And now let's go to product links. And over here, you can just search for the item. They have recommended items here as well. Now, if you go back to product linking, there's banners and all this other stuff. Make sure you explore every menu item to see what's important for you. Now, you can also go to the Idea Hub, which basically gives you content ideas, as you can see here, to make content around. There's workout supplements over here, so you can just make content regarding that, and just a whole lot of other ideas. Now let's go to promotions and then the Amazon Bounty Program. The Amazon Bounty Program gives you a fixed rate when someone signs up or starts a trial for something. You can click here to get tips, but let's see all the bounties they have. So as you can see, it says for Amazon business account, earn $15 for a successful registration of an Amazon business account. So you just get $15 if someone signs up for the account. And there's a $3 for every free trial for the Amazon free time unlimited. And same with Twitch Prime. You get a $3 bounty for every Prime free trial sign up you drive on the Twitch Prime landing page. So all you have to do is, again, let's say for this, just click get link, get the short link, copy that, oops, get link, short link, copy that, okay, and then just enter that in, see if it works. And this is what it looks like. So if someone signs up for free trial over here, like by clicking that, I will get $3. So you can explore this. There's Kindle, there's a lot of stuff over here, and there's Amazon promo codes. Amazon promo code, basically if you scroll down, you can get a special link which gives the person a discount, and it's the same thing as an affiliate link. They click on it and they get the special discount for that item, and then you will get the commission for that sale. Now let me show you the easiest way to get an affiliate link. All you have to do is go on Amazon.com, make sure you're signed in, and then search for the product. So I just searched for an SSD, and now just choose the product you want. And as you can see at the top, there's this weird bar. Click on text, and then click on short link, make sure that's selected, and you will be able to get the Amazon affiliate link just like that. It's so easy. All you have to do is copy it and then paste it wherever you want. So to show you this works, I'm going to paste it here. And as you can see, my affiliate ID is at the top, and it's the exact same page we saw. Now let's go back and let me show you the link checker. So we have to do is go to tools, then click on link checker. And basically what this does is anytime you put in any Amazon link, it will show you if your affiliate ID is attached to it, which will let you know if you're going to get the commission. So as you can see, it's successful. My affiliate ID is attached to it, and I will get the commission for anyone who buys something using my link. So if we go, we don't need this. Now one link is what I mentioned before. I do have a video on that, and it'll pop up again over here, and it's a link in the description as well. And also it'll be linked at the end of this video. So just make sure you check that out. It's pretty easy to set up. I'm not gonna do that in this video since I already made a video on that. Now go to reports, and then there's earning reports right over here. As you see, it'll give you a summary for whatever period you select. So as you see, I just signed up. I'm obviously not gonna have any money in this. And fee schedule, you can see what fees they're offering. So as I showed you before, these are the fees they have. And they also have like the bounty breakdown over here. As you can see, $15 for the Amazon business, as I said before. Now let's check out the last option on the menu, which is help. And basically just go through this if you want. I'm just going to be going over the contact section. And over here, basically you just put in your email and what you need help with, and then they'll get back to you. This bell icon at the top will show you any notifications you have. And also if you click on your email over here and click on payment history, you'll be able to fill out the tax form if you haven't done that already. Just fill out your basic information, then click sign and submit. And we're done. I've taught you how to sign up for the Amazon Associates program and how to navigate through the website as well. Make sure you set up one link so you can get commissions from around the world. I made a short video on how to do that as well. The link is in the description and in the top right corner as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you did. And also comment videos down below that you want me to do. I'll be uploading more Amazon related videos as well as website tutorials. So just let me know what you guys want to see. And also if you subscribe to this channel, this puppy will get a treat. See you guys in the next video.